A market crash tests every investor, new or seasoned. It's in these moments of fear, uncertainty, and volatility that the real difference between direct and regular mutual funds becomes painfully clear. When you invest in direct mutual funds, you're essentially on your own. There's no one-to guide when the markets turn red, no voice of reason when headlines scream panic. Most direct investors rely on top-performing fund lists or ratings on digital platforms. They select what looks good in hindsight, assuming that recent past performance will carry into the future. But here's the truth. What worked yesterday won't always work tomorrow, especially during turbulent times. In contrast, when you invest through regular funds with an advisor, you gain more than just access to mutual funds. You gain a strategy. A good advisor understands your financial goals, your risk tolerance, your time horizon, and perhaps most importantly, your emotional behavior as an investor. So they help you build a portfolio that can weather ups and downs and not just chase returns in bull markets. But what happens when the market crashes? That's where the true value of advice shows up. While direct investors might react emotionally, panic selling, switching funds, or stopping SIPs, an advisor's role is to help you stay the course, to remind you of why you invested in the first place, and help you make rational decisions and not emotional ones. Now think about the last few months. How many people redeemed their investments out of fear? How many tried to time the bottom? How many simply did nothing because they didn't know what to do? If you had an advisor during that time, the chances are that you had a calm conversation, reassessed your plan if needed, and stayed invested. Now, that single decision could be the reason your portfolio recovers faster or even grows stronger from the fall. So, essentially, market crashes are not a time to go it alone. In fact, they're exactly when you need the most support. Someone to remind you that downturns are temporary, but regret from poor decisions that can last much longer. Whether you're new to investing or have been managing it yourself for a while, having a trusted advisor during a crisis isn't just helpful, it can be a game changer. At iThought MFD, we help you not just invest, but invest with confidence, especially when the noise is loud and the path seems unclear. So if you're thinking of using this market correction as an opportunity to reset your investments or plan your future more wisely, get in touch with us today. Because in times of crisis, guidance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity.